Otherwise, all this is waste. I will explain what commerce is. That everyone think commerce is same as trade, but commerce is different from trade. Trade is one of the part of the commerce, but trade is not commerce. First of all, commerce is equal to trade plus H2 trade. First of all, trade. What is trade? Trade means buying and selling of goods between consumer and producer. Then commerce. Then H2 trade. What is H2 trade? H2 trade means production, from where the goods are produced and where the goods are sold. From where the goods are sold, there are many auxiliaries of the trade. These auxiliaries are removed. These hindrances can be removed by auxiliaries of trade. Here, this is called as H2 trade. H2 trade and trade is combinedly called as commerce. First of all, commerce. This commerce helps in every sector. In Indian economy, there are three sectors. Indian primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. In primary sector, for example, we take agriculture. In agricultural sector, the farmers produces the goods and these goods are sold in markets. Here the commerce involves. This is the primary sector and secondary sector. When we come to secondary sector, industries. In these industries, we produce goods and these goods are moved to markets or places sales or markets, supermarkets, like that. The shops where they sell for sellers, retailers, wholesalers, like that they are transferred. There the commerce involves like transportation charges or paying of bills, like this. In this sector also commerce involves. In third sector, that is known as tertiary sector. It is also known as service sector. In service sector, for example, we take transportation. In transportation, we take the tickets. There the commerce involves. We will give money and he will give the tickets. Then commerce involves. Like this in teaching field, in establishment of in present generation, there is very demand for commerce. So I request every student to know about commerce, and there is wide opportunities to commerce student in not only in India but also all over the world. As the madam said, there are wide opportunities. Like when the students with MEC and CEC completed, they can complete their further courses in degree courses, BA or BCA, BBA, like these business courses, and they can achieve their goals. Again, when there are great opportunities to all the students, like MPC students, IPC students, everyone has opportunities. They can also do their respective degrees and they can have good jobs. In in generation, in our India, there is very demand. For example, establishment of college or schools, in every organization, there should be involved of commerce and accounts. Our subject is very important in future. Not only future, when till the end of everyone's life, commerce is very, very important. So I request. Thank you very much.